How ATMs work. ATMs, or automated teller machines, are a part of our daily lives. They allow people to withdraw cash, check balances, and even deposit money without visiting a bank. But have you ever wondered how an ATM actually works? Let's take a closer look step by step. When you approach an ATM, the first step is to insert your bank card. Your card has a magnetic strip or a chip that stores important data like your account number. The ATM reads this information to connect to your bank system. Next, you are asked to enter your PIN, or personal identification number. The PIN acts like a secret password that confirms your identity. For security, your PIN is encrypted so no one else can read it. Once your card and PIN are verified, the ATM sends a request to your bank's server. The request includes details like your account number and the type of transaction you want. The bank's server checks if you have enough balance for the withdrawal. If everything is correct, the server sends back approval to the ATM. Now comes the interesting part, how the cash is dispensed. Inside the ATM are cash cassettes, which are boxes that hold stacks of banknotes. Each cassette usually contains notes of different denominations, like $20 or $50 bills. When you request money, the ATM's cash dispenser selects the right number of notes. The notes pass through a system of rollers and sensors to count them correctly. If a note is folded, torn, or stuck, the ATM rejects it and selects another. At the same time, the ATM prints a receipt if you choose one. The receipt shows the transaction details, like the amount withdrawn and your remaining balance. The machine then returns your card and finally delivers your cash. Behind the scenes, your bank updates your account balance instantly. If you withdrew $100, the same amount is deducted from your account right away. This is possible because the ATM is connected to the bank's central network through secure communication lines. ATMs also have many security features. They use cameras to monitor activity. Anti-skimming devices protect against card theft. And encryption ensures your PIN and data stay safe during every transaction. Modern ATMs can do more than just give cash. They allow deposits, bill payments, mobile recharges, and even money transfers. Some advanced ATMs use fingerprint or face recognition instead of just a PIN. In short, an ATM is like a mini bank that works automatically. It reads your card, verifies your identity, communicates with your bank, and dispenses cash securely. It saves time, offers convenience, and makes banking possible anytime, anywhere. And that is how an ATM works, from the moment you insert your card to the moment you receive your cash.